Inside of tomatoes are the seeds. It's like scoop it out with my finger, some of the seeds, right like this. You bring it out and then you spread it around so they're not right next to each other. I put them out there and then I just put it someplace to dry the whole winter until spring. And you just leave them and they just dry on. And this is your free seed pad. It's very, very cool. What you do is you just get this, you put a little bit of soil in. I just use like salad buckets. You may have seen what I did earlier. I posted. So I put some soil, a little bit of soil, in a salad bucket, and then I'm going to make seedlings. I just set this on top, and then you just put a little bit of soil over it. Now you don't even need much soil. Just put a little bit of soil over the top. And then you water it. You can also, if you want to put them in individual pots, you can just tear off and put it there.